As always, please ask your parents' permission before doing any of these arts and crafts, and have fun. Hi, welcome back to Stella's Arts and Crafts. I'm Stella. In this week's video, I'll be doing pony bead suncatchers. So follow me and I'll show you what you'll need. So what you'll need is, you're gonna need some pony beads, some invisible string or colored string. I haven't really decided yet. A caking pan, a drill to drill the holes in for your string. If you want to make a big one, you can use a bigger pan. So I would prefer you use the clear ones instead of these, because the clear ones work better because they're better to see through. So once you have your beads opened, you can start pouring them into your muffin tin. Make sure it's in one even layer and the holes are facing right up. So once you have your beads in your tray, you can put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So now that they're out of the oven, I'm gonna let them sit for about 10 minutes. So now that these are out of the oven and we have them in a pattern that we want them in, we can start drilling holes in them so we can put the string through them so we can tie them all together and make our suncatcher. So, and we also have these ones that didn't cook as the same as these other ones. So you could give these ones to your friends, your family, or someone, or you could give it to your mom or dad to make a suncatcher for their car. So this is what we came out with for this new one. It was really, really fun to make. Here is the other big one we made. And it was also really, really fun, just like this one. And you can always make another one like this, which is like a wind chime suncatcher. And this one's just a regular suncatcher. You can spin it a little. You can spin it, or you can just hang it up. And then this one you can make a little necklace out of, or you can make a regular suncatcher, just like this one. They were all really, really fun to make, so I hope you guys like them. They didn't take long to make. They only took about 20 minutes or so. So that's how you make pony bead suncatchers. I hope you enjoyed. I try to post videos every week. So if you liked, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to Stellas Arts and Crafts. And if you want to leave a comment, leave it on the discussion page. Bye!